Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you another easy weeknight dinner idea that I'm sure you guys are all going to love. If you haven't noticed by now, we are huge foodie people. We love eating great tasting meals at home, but if there's one dish in specific that the entire family can agree on, are tacos. So today I'll be sharing with you our go-to taco recipe at the moment that are super tasty, but most importantly easy and simple to make. Unfortunately, I cannot take credit for this amazing dish, so I will leave the website where I found the recipe linked down below in the description box. I'm going to start by making some homemade fresh yellow rice, and I feel like Mexican rice is such a great complement to tacos. Not to mention, if you have a big family, I feel like this is always a great side dish because it can feed a lot of people and it's super tasty. So while I got the rice going, I'm going to start seasoning my chicken. You want to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces so that when you put it in the taco, it's easier to bite into. So I'm going to season my chicken with some olive oil, some garlic, tons of spices, and again, I'll leave the website where I got this recipe down below so that you can find exact measurements to all of these ingredients. I'm going to cook my chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's nice and charred. And in the meantime, I'm going to get started on picking up the kitchen. I think it's so important to pick up or clean as you go because it just makes cleanup after dinner that much faster. At this time, I also like to get the dishes started because again, it just gives me less to do once I'm done eating. Because let's face it, after you eat, who really wants to pick up the kitchen? By this time my chicken is cooked through, so I'm going to start gathering all of my sides. I will be making a very easy cilantro cream sauce. All you really need for this is some sour cream, cilantro, fresh garlic, fresh squeezed lime juice, salt, pepper, and that's it. Mix it all together and I really think this is what tops the taco. It is delicious. Now there's a few things that I added to my taco that the recipe doesn't call for, but I think they're perfect toppers. So I added some cabbage, some mild salsa, cilantro, avocados, and just some extra squeeze of lime juice. Also, this might sound a little bit cheesy, but every time I make a new dish or something special that I go a little bit more above and beyond than what I normally do, I will usually go ahead and put some music that belongs to like the theme of our meal. So in this case, I put some Mexican music on Spotify and my family loves it. I think it totally sets the mood and makes dinner a little extra special. Now that our bellies are all full, it's time to clean because I like to wake up to a clean kitchen. In the following clip, you'll also get to see my sister. She was actually over for dinner tonight and she offered herself to clean the dishes. So I'm like, sure, I can take all the help that I can get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to play some music for the rest of it because if you guys haven't noticed, my voice is a little raspy. I've caught a cold, but I really wanted to put this video out there because I think it's such a good, easy, quick weeknight dinner idea that you guys can whip up in no time. If you guys end up giving these tacos a try, comment down below letting me know you did and how you liked it. You can even tag me on Instagram, send me a picture of your tacos, And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing so you can stay updated for future videos. And like always, I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Up with you has got the best of me. I just wanna live inside my memories, so I'll be with you, with you. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, look into your eyes. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, close. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Ooh. Hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see us like a movie in my head. I only wish I did